New pickup in from Footshop. Picked up a pair of Kangaroos that they had collaborated a couple years ago. Like last year. Not sure I was able to get these for a very highly discounted price due to only having a couple sizes left, and apparently my size was there, so picked it up. Packing slip. What's that? Footshop. Kangaroos collaboration. There's my receipt here. Free returns if you want. You're always not focusing. Focus. Focus. There you go, focused. But yeah, here's the box. Got the Hummel Dynacoil Footshop Go 3rd collaboration for a 10th anniversary. So yeah, let's go. Extra laces in this pouch. Here's the shoes, Kangaroos. Made in Germany. Nice canvas here. The nice suede. This is like a canvas mesh toe box. Love the colorway. Look at the inside. That leather hit. Got the pouch in there, handcrafted in Germany. Oh, let's see. 99 out of 250. So only 250 pairs of these were made. Got pair 99. Another pair of Kangaroos. Kangaroos have really nice quality, if you guys didn't know. And they don't sell in the States at all. You have to pick these up from overseas. Look at the tongue, Kangaroos, Footshop. Footshop on the back, 10th anniversary. Fire quality sneakers. Oh yeah, these are very nice. Let me know what you guys think about these. Quick pickup. I love runners. Kangaroos definitely worth for the discounted price that I got these for. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.